Hi all, good day everyone. Welcome to Dhruv's Business Intelligence Tool webinar. I am Umesh and I will be your host for today. Thank you all for joining us. A quick update on today's session. We will cover key aspects of BI, a product developed by Dhruv's Center of Excellence team, dive into its core features and have a Q&A to address any specific questions which you may have. For those new to Dhruv BI, this powerful tool gives key decision makers real-time data to make critical decisions. This tool also provides insights from shop floor to top floor for quick decision making that help improve quality and overall productivity of your manufacturer. A few quick reminders. This session is being recorded. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the Q&A tab which you can find on the top, and we'll answer as many as possible during the Q&A session. Looks like most of us are here. I'm excited for the insights we'll be sharing today on Dhruv BI. Unfortunately, there's a change in speaker. Since Sesha is unwell, Vishal will be doing the session, but we'll have Sesha on the call during our Q&A session. Now, without further delay, let me hand it over to our speaker. Welcome you, Vishal. Request you to lead us through today's session. Over to you.
Thank you, Umesh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar, Unlocking Insights from Shop Floor to Top Floor, Dhruv's BI Quick Start for Opcenter. My name is Vishal, and I'll be your speaker for this exciting session. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. As manufacturing grows increasingly complex and competitive, having real-time actionable data is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Today, we'll explore how our business intelligence accelerator for Opcenter simplifies decision making by providing the actionable insights to the right people at the right time. Let's get started with the webinar. Please allow me a moment so that I can get started and share my screen. Here's what we'll cover today. A quick overview of Dhruv's BI Accelerator for Opcenter, followed by a demo of our BI solution with all the live Power BI reports. Then I'll show you some of the customer success stories and best practices for leveraging our BI solution for Opcenter. Finally, I'll talk about the business value proposition and then we'll open the floor for questions. Let's start with the basics. What is business intelligence in manufacturing? Simply put, BI transforms raw data into meaningful insights, enabling informed decision making. When integrated with Opcenter, BI provides complete visibility into production processes from real-time shop floor operations to high-level strategic decision-making in the executive suite. For organizations already using Opcenter, the real challenge often lies in making sense of Opcenter data. Technical and reporting teams may struggle to translate raw data into actionable insights, limiting the system's full potential. With our deep industry expertise and in-depth understanding of Opcenter data, we offer a pre-built Opcenter data model and reports, providing businesses with ready-to-use BI solution that accelerates their reporting capabilities. This solution is designed to meet the needs of every user within a manufacturing organization. Today, we'll showcase how Dhruv's BI Accelerator for Opcenter bridges the gap between shop floor operations and executive decision making. Our BA Accelerator is specifically built for manufacturers implementing Opcenter MES or those who have already invested in it. By integrating seamlessly with your existing systems, it enhances their value and delivers actionable insights across all levels of the organization. Let's see some of the key benefits of our BI Accelerator for Opcenter. You can gain instant insights into production quality and operational metrics, track key KPIs like availability, performance, and quality consistently, identify inefficiencies, optimize resources, and enable data-driven decision making, and break down silos between operations, production, and quality teams. Our BI Accelerator integrates seamlessly with Opcenter MES, leveraging your existing data to provide a unified real-time view of manufacturing performance. Let's take a moment to discuss the key metrics and KPIs essential for manufacturing insights. One of the most critical aspects of BI in Opcenter is tracking and analyzing OEE. OEE measures how efficiently a manufacturing operation is utilized and is expressed as a percentage. It consists of three key components: availability, which measures equipment uptime relative to scheduled production time; performance, which assesses whether machines are operating at their optimal speed; and quality, which evaluates the percentage of good parts produced versus total parts manufactured. Other critical KPIs to monitor include cycle time, which is the time required to complete one production cycle; yield, the percentage of products that meet quality standards; and defect rates, a measure of production quality indicating the number of defective units. By monitoring these metrics, manufacturers can identify inefficiencies and drive continuous improvement. These KPIs offer a comprehensive view of manufacturing performance, enabling both immediate corrective actions and long-term process optimizations. Tracking them enhances operational visibility and ensures production strategies align with overall business objectives. Now let's take a look at the key benefits of leveraging these manufacturing insights. You can identify and eliminate inefficiencies in the manufacturing process, minimize disruptions and maximize equipment availability, optimize resource utilization, and maintain high manufacturing standards and reduce defects. Now let's explore the BI QuickStart architecture for Opcenter. We are going to break down the BI Accelerator solution using this diagram, which illustrates the data flow and functionality from core business systems to actionable insights delivered through BI tools like Power BI. The first block here is the core business system. The foundation of this architecture is the Opcenter MES, which serves as the source of all operational data. The MES tables within Opcenter contains raw normalized data related to production, quality, operations, and more. Acting as the backbone of manufacturing process, Opcenter MES captures real-time data directly from the shop floor. This is where everything begins, providing critical insights into the state of your manufacturing business. Additionally, we integrate data from ERP and EAM systems to ensure a comprehensive view of operations. Next is data foundation aggregation and storage, which is a reporting data mart. ETL techniques are used to extract data from multiple sources and store it in the reporting data mart. Data from the data lake is also integrated as per business needs, ensuring a holistic view of operations. The extracted raw MES data is transformed into structured, denormalized data, making it optimized for analytics and reporting. This layer refines and structures data, ensuring it is ready for advanced reporting and analytics. The BI capability block highlights the business intelligence functionalities enabled by our solution. You get operational insights to track real-time operational metrics to ensure smooth workflows and minimize disruptions. Get insights to quality to monitor key quality KPIs to maintain compliance, reduce defects, and enhance product consistency. Dashboards and KPIs, get access to pre-built dashboards and KPI templates, which enables quick insights without the need for custom development. OEE and performance metrics, gain a comprehensive view of equipment utilization, efficiency, and downtime, driving continuous improvement. These capabilities empower stakeholders across operations, production, and quality teams with actionable insights tailored to their specific needs. Finally, insights are delivered through BI reporting tools like Power BI. Power BI offers an intuitive interface for creating interactive dashboards, visualizations, and reports, making data easily accessible and interpretable for decision makers. Now let us look at the BI QuickStart Accelerator demo. Let me open the Microsoft BI services. Let me put it in the full screen. Okay. Let us start with the factory KPI reporting on the BI homepage. You will notice various factory items listed here, and you can filter them as needed. For example, let's search for the IM factory from the factory drop-down list. Once selected, we can view key production data for the IM factory. Yield value appears just to the right of the factory selection combo box. Production cycle time is displayed in production hours. When you hover over the data bar, a summary of data is shown including average cycle time. The work in progress section shows the number of items produced. Again, hovering over the bar provides detailed information. Below this data is a graphical map showing factory locations. In this case, you can see locations across India. Now let's look at the WIP summary report. To access the WIP summary report, go to the main menu and select WIP summary under the WIP here. Let's go ahead and select the factory, which is IM factory. As you see, data is refreshed for the selected factory. Now let's go ahead and select few products here. IM product 1, IM product 2, IM product 3, and injection molding. And you can see the data is dynamically changing as you selected the filters. And you can also select IM consolidation operation, and all these operations, you can see that the data is dynamically changing. Let me go ahead and look at the WIP aging, which is under WIP here. WIP aging is shown for each container in hours. Let me go ahead and select the IM factory from the factory drop-down list. You can see the data is displaying only for the IM factory now. Let me go ahead and select few products here. You can see that the data is dynamically changing and it is displaying only for the selected products here. Now let me go ahead and select IM consolidation operation. You can see that the WIP aging for each container is showing in hours. You can see the details when you hover over the mouse, and you can also select the WIP status as a rework. And now you see that the rework containers are displayed with WIP aging. Now let's go and see the cycle time analysis. To access cycle time analysis, go to the main menu and select cycle time analysis under the resource details. Here you'll see a pie chart summarizing data points by operation, product name, and workflow name. Let's go ahead and select IM factory from the drop-down list. You can see that the data is refreshed dynamically. We can also select the specific products from the product drop-down and see that data is refreshing dynamically. Now let's go ahead and show the resource status. Here you can see that each resource or equipment status is shown. You can go ahead and select the specific factory. This screen displays the status of the resource. Items in production are marked in blue and those in standby are marked in red. You can hover over the data points to view the details. Let's look at the resource utilization under resource details. By default, utilization is displayed in hours for events like in production or on standby. At the bottom, there's a graph showing daily trends based on the selected date range. Now let us look at the throughput. To access the throughput, go to the container details in the main menu and select the throughput. Here you can choose how to display the data. For example, selecting product shows data related to product names, while operation provides graphical and tabular format details for various operations, and also you can select by workflow as well. Now let's look at the starts by section under container details. This report shows the number of containers processed daily categorized by owner and product. As always, you can apply filters for more detailed information. Moving on to yield trend, this feature is under the yield menu. The screen shows first pass yield data categorized by product name, workflow, and workflow step. And you can use the filters to adjust the view as needed. You can, for example, if you want to see the IAM factory, just select the IAM factory from the drop down list, and you can also select few products. We see that the data is dynamically changing as selected in the filters. Now let's look at the yield by month and day. Initially, we were showing the yield by year. So if you want to show by month, we can actually right click and click on drill down. And now it's showing by month. And if you want to see the yield by day, you can again drill down to see the yield by each day. Again, you can select the filters as you need it. Now let's look at the loss reports under yield menu. This screen displays the loss quantities categorized by reasons and product and fiscal weeks. Here we are also showing the loss quantity trends for each date. Now let's look at the dispatch list reports under the inventory details. This report provides a graphical view of accounts for loss activity date and the detailed dispatch report in the tabular format. An important feature of BI is preventive maintenance. You can access this via past due and upcoming PM in the main menu. The screen presents maintenance data as graphs categorized by resource count and resource type, highlighting past due and upcoming maintenance tasks. Now let's look at the EDHR report, which is designed using Power BI. Refreshing the page. Okay. This report modernizes processes by replacing paper-based workflows with error proofing and real-time traceability. This report is a critical feature for medical device manufacturing companies. Let's key in the production order and view the report. It'll take a few seconds to open the data. So now you can see the header section. In the header section, we will show the production order details. You can see production order quantity, plan start date, manufacturing complete, and other details. This header is common for all the pages. You can also see the production order reviewed by material list and traceability, data collection, sampling data, which is visual, physical, and dimensional inspection. peripheral equipment data, activity history, acceptance activities, process timers, material issued or removed, change quantity history, and associate and disassociate. To see the data, you can go down, or else you can also select the specific tab to jump into the respective section. You can go back to the main menu and see the respective section. So when you click on the respective section, it will show the details of each report. Here you see the activity history. So we can go back to the main menu and we can also see the acceptance activities. The export button can be used to export out the EDHR report. We have an option to export into PDF or Excel and share it with the users. So now this report is exported into PDF and this report can be shared across the users. So this marks the end of the demo. Let's explore real world success stories showcasing how Dhruv's BI Accelerator has delivered measurable value. A global semiconductor manufacturer implementing Opcenter MES faced tight go-live deadlines. Building a data warehouse and developing reports from scratch would have significantly delayed deployment. By leveraging Dhruv's pre-built BI data warehouse, designed with standardized facts and dimensions for Opcenter reporting, we enabled a rapid deployment in just weeks. This allowed the client to seamlessly migrate existing reports and quickly create new ones using Power BI, ensuring a faster time to value and a smooth go-live process. Second, a leading medical device manufacturer struggled with compliance reporting, particularly with EDHR, electronic device history records. Their manual reporting process was time-consuming, error-prone, and posed regulatory risks. By implementing Dhruv's BI Accelerator for Opcenter, featuring pre-built fact and dimension tables tailored for compliance, the company automated its reporting process. This significantly reduced reporting time, improved audit readiness, and ensured seamless regulatory compliance. The result? Faster, accurate EDHR reports and increased confidence during inspections. To maximize the value of our BI Accelerator solution, here are key best practices to guide your teams towards success. Identify the key challenges you aim to solve, whether it's reducing downtime, improving throughput, or enhancing quality metrics. Well-defined objectives help you focus efforts and measure success effectively. Utilize our pre-built data models, fact tables, and dimensions, purpose-built for Opcenter MES reporting. These significantly reduce the effort needed to generate actionable insights. Different teams need different insights. Operators focus on real-time production metrics, while executives require high-level performance KPIs. Tailor your dashboards to ensure relevance and usability for all stakeholders. Ensure teams are well trained in tools like Power BI and encourage a data-driven culture. Empower employees at all levels to interpret and act on insights for better decision making. Regularly review KPIs and reporting needs. As operations evolve, refine your dashboards and reports based on feedback to keep them aligned with business goals. Ensure full integration of the BI Accelerator with Opcenter MES to enable real-time data flow, eliminate silos, and provide a unified operational view. For regulated industries like medical device and pharmaceuticals, leverage pre-built compliance reports to streamline audits and reduce manual reporting efforts. By following these best practices, you can fully unlock the potential of Dhruv's BI Accelerator solution, driving operational excellence and continuous improvement. Finally, let's explore how our BI Accelerator solution goes beyond just a tool. It is a strategic enabler that delivers measurable business value across your organization. With our pre-built data models and dashboards, our solution significantly reduces deployment time, enabling companies to transition from implementation to actionable insights in weeks instead of months. Real-time visibility into production and quality metrics empowers leaders to make informed decisions quickly, driving greater efficiency and responsiveness. By automating data collection and reporting, our solution reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and lowers labor costs, making analytics more cost effective. For industries with strict regulatory requirements, our pre-built compliance reports, such as EDHR for life sciences and medical device companies, help ensure audit readiness and mitigate risks. And finally, as your business grows, our BI accelerator scales effortlessly, adapting to evolving data and reporting needs to provide a future-proof investment. In summary, Dhruv's BI Accelerator solution is a powerful enabler that aligns strategy with execution, enhances business performance, and maximizes the value of your Opcenter MES investment. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key takeaways from today's session. We started by discussing the challenges of extracting actionable insights from Opcenter MES data. Then we explored how Dhruv's BI Accelerator simplifies this process with its pre-built architecture and real-time reporting capabilities. We walked through a demo of Power BI reports, highlighting how they provide visibility into key manufacturing metrics. We also covered the best practices to maximize the tool's value. And finally, we discussed the business impact and benefits of leveraging this solution. For further details about BI QuickStart or any of our other products or services, please feel free to reach us at info@dhruvts.com or visit our website www.dhruvts.com. Thank you all. Over to Umesh.
Thank you, Vishal, for the crisp presentation. Now we would like to open the floor for any questions you may have. I welcome Sesha to the Q&A session. Feel free to type your questions in the Q&A tab and we will address as many as we can. For any questions that we are unable to answer today, we'll make sure to respond to you later on.
Thanks, Umesh. So while we wait for questions to come in, I would like to highlight an important point. The Shop Center has different shoots, and our BA Accelerator is designed to support all of them.
Thanks, Sesha, for that insightful information. There's already a couple of questions that have popped in. First one is how long the installation takes.
Yeah.
They're asking about the reports, Power BI reports. Yeah, BI.
So the installation takes a couple of hours since we'll have to execute the scripts and enable the jobs. And again, we need to install the gateways. And after that, we'll have to publish the reports to the Power BI services. So it takes hardly 2 hours.
Okay. Does the report show the real-time data?
Yeah, we have few reports where we show the real-time data, and there are a few other reports where we refresh the data for every 30 minutes to show the latest data. And again, it is again depends on the user needs. If he still wants to reduce it from 30 to 20 minutes, we can still do that.
What's the Power BI license type used for this product?
So we recommend to go with Power BI Premium per user because it has most of the features supported. And let's say if we have more users, then I would recommend to go with the premium capacity, which is a little costlier compared to Power BI Premium per user.
Does the product provide only out-of-the-box Opcenter reports?
Yeah, the tool provides a standard set of reports, which are mostly out of the box Opcenter system specific.
What are the different documentations we have for the tool?
Yeah, we provide different user guide documentations As you know, like we are providing the installation user guide documentation and data mart user guide, and also the Power BI user guide documentation.
Okay, there's a question on custom reports. What about custom reports? Is that supported as well?
Yeah, obviously, because the data mart is there. It is just a matter of adding the additional tables and additional fields which are part of customization. So once the fields are available in the data mart, it is just a matter of creating the reports in the Power BI.
Okay, there's another one that has come in. What tools, technologies, or processes are involved in accelerating BI implementations?
We actually, since Opcenter is available in SQL Server and Oracle, so we are using both SQL Server and Oracle as a database tools. And to do the ETL, we use SQL, T-SQL, and PL/SQL. And for the visualization, we are using the Microsoft Power BI services.
I think there's a similar question, Sesha. What are the different Opcenter database types this product supports? You are Vishal.
Yeah, like Sesha mentioned already, the product supports both SQL Server and Oracle version of Opcenter databases.
There is the one. What types of visualization does the BI offer?
Since we are using the Microsoft Power BI services, right, we have already seen most of the visualizations in our demo. So we are already using map, pie charts, line charts, bar charts, data cards, and scatter charts. And we also use waterfall. And for some of the reports, as to show the details, we are using the normal and matrix grids. We are using most of the good looking visuals from the Microsoft Power BI services.
Okay, there is another one. I think it is. Yeah, can other reporting tools be used other than Power BI technology?
Yeah, as part of this product, right, we are only providing the Power BI reporting technology. So again, we can use the data mart as the data source or to rebuild the similar kind of reports in the other technologies like Tableau or any other tools. But as part of this product, we are only using the Power BI.
I think there's one more that has come in. Is there a separate database required or can we use OLTP?
We need to use the separate database because if we use the OLTP as a reporting tool, it will actually create the performance issues for the OLTP and it will slow down the Opcenter system. So we recommend to go with the Opcenter ODS, or else we can also use the any replication tool to replicate the data from OLTP to some other database.
Okay, I'm just looking for other questions. There's nothing new that has popped in. Any questions from anyone? I think looks like we are done. I don't see any questions coming in. Yeah, that's it, I believe. That brings us to the end of today's session. I hope this webinar gave you valuable insights into how Dhruv's BI Accelerator enhances Opcenter MES by transforming raw data into actionable intelligence. If you have any further questions or would like further discussion, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you all for joining. Special thanks to Vishal Sesha for an impactful webinar. Please do visit our website at dhruvts.com to learn more about BI tool and also do request for a demo and see its value. Explore our other services and products as well. Thank you all. Take care.
Um, Sorry to
and
interrupt,
have a good
Umesh. I
rest
think
of the day.
we just had one more question. I think we missed.
Ah,
It just popped in. I'll read it out. Can we update the
okay.
report with report approval after generating it?
What was that? Can we?
Can we update the report
Report.
with report approval after generating it?
In this question, I'm not sure if we are
Yeah,
clear.
I'm not able to follow. Approval means in
Y-
what sense? I don't understand.
It is a, yeah, I don't know. Most probably they mean an approval for the report after generating it.
See, as you all know, right? We already have the standard set of reports. So again, right, we can still go ahead and add additional visuals to the existing reports. Again, as per the user needs, once we get the approval, right, we can still create the new ones because we are using the data mart as the baseline. So it has most of the Opcenter data. And later we can add the customization on top of the ODS to the data mart and use the updated data mart to the additional reports as per the approval, right?
Yeah,
Did that answer your question, Suchit?
sure if heard the response. Suchit,
Okay, he
there's
says
one
yes.
more. Yes, yeah.
All right.
Okay. If nothing more, then we can end. Again, thanks for all for joining in. It's your valuable time. Special thanks again to Vishal Sesha for this webinar. Do visit our website, dhruvts.com, to know more about BI and also do request for a demo. Thank you all. Take care. Have a
Thank you
good
all for
rest of the
joining
day.
in.
Thank you all for
Thank
joining.
you all. Bye.
Have a great day.